Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm gonna be do the unboxing of some metal cutting discs. That's what you use in your grinder to actually cut anything metallic, steel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Actually got these on eBay. So as you can see in the box there, comes with these to prevent it from moving around too much. So comes in more than one boxes. So let's get it out of the second box. Actually 50 of them in total. Right, so here we go guys. So two different packages. So 25 that's actually 50 in total.